The Atlanta Healthcare Cambridge mask is developed with British military technology. The inner layer of the mask here, the black material, was developed for chemical, nuclear and biological warfare protection by the UK Ministry of Defence. It filters nearly 100% of viruses, bacteria and air pollution, including gas pollution and particulate pollution. We have a valve in the mask here. You can also get an option that has 2 valves on either side or no valves at all. The reason we've added the valve is for anyone who's doing sports or cycling or activity around on hot days when they need to remove the air and the humidity from the mask to help them keep their face dry. The extra valve if you add the double valve, the extra valve helps to reduce humidity inside the mask. We're aware that Indian users are in hotter climates, and so we want to make the mask as comfortable as possible for our users here in India. You can see the valve on the mask here. This is not a filter, it's just a one-way valve to let the air out of the mask to make sure it's staying dry inside. The entire mask is the filter, so the materials that we use are actually filters themselves, and that's why it's so effective and why it lasts so long, because there's a very large surface area of filter pulling through air and cleaning it as you breathe. It's very important that people feel comfortable as they're wearing their pollution masks, and they should also feel like they're looking good and being fashionable. People don't always do what's healthy for them, but they will do what's cool. What we want to do is bring both of those things together so that you can look great and be healthy when you go outdoors. Well, the masks are a premium product, and certainly the price point is at the higher level of what's available in the market, but they do last for nearly 200 hours of use, which would be 3 to 6 months for a typical user. When you calculate per hour of use, it's actually very competitive. So you're filtering gas pollution, particle pollution, pathogens, and looking good. So altogether, we think it's a really good value proposition for consumers here in India.